Hello everyone, welcome back to Plant and Body by Design. My name is Mario and today I'm going to feature to you a plant called Abutilon, and they are the genus of flowering plants, shrubs and or trees. Abutilons are, some of them are hardy and some of them are not. Plant next to me is a new cultivar that I created. So I hybridize this plant. So what I use is a pink hibiscus, and I cross with a Abutilon Pictum, and look at the creation. And this is the product of that. And it has a bigger form of this Abutilon. There's two different kinds. Has a pinkish to red color on it. This is the other product of the uh, cultivar that I just created, and this one has a light pinkish color in it, and is still blossoming right now. You could create anything. You could design a plant out of anything. I always use what Nike says, that just do it. So that's what I did. I just do it because gardening is fun. From that cross, the one that I hybridized, only able to produce three plants out of it. Now I'm going to show you the other creation that I did, and this particular Abutilon, this is a cross between the Abutilon striatum and Chinese lantern, or the Abutilon tiger eyes Abutilon. Like to call this as Super Mario Brothers hybrid Abutilon. And I have here the Chinese lantern. Look at this Chinese lantern. It's like a lantern. So this Super Mario Brothers Abutilon, I haven't registered yet, but I just call it Super Mario Brothers Abutilon right now. I made the Abutilon Pictum as the parent, so I took a pollen from the Chinese lantern, then put it into the Pictum. And now, once the seed pod becomes mature, then I planted it, and there you go. This is my new creation. Then I have this orange reddish color in it. And I have another one over here. This one has tiny flowers. And then I have over here another one. So this is a different Abutilon. It has an orange flower on it. Abutilons belong to the Malvacea family, and they also belong to the Mallow family, and I have here pink mallow. So this is also perfect for hybridizing different types of Abutilon and also with this mallow. Also have this variegated leaves. I have a yellow and orange colors, and they don't have flowers yet. Then I have another one here. If you look at the leaves of this one, it's a variegated one. And I'll show you this one. I purchased this a long time ago. I believe it was 10 years ago. And I bought it as a tropical Abutilon hanging plant. So what I did, I just tried to plant it on the ground, and you know what? It became hardy. So it can survive in microclimates because this Abutilon I planted next to the house, and it's I believe it's protected by because it has this plants being planted next to it. It protected from that cold where we have snow in this area. And look at that. So year after year, this plant comes back, okay? So they die back a few of the branches, but look, they're back again. Look how vigorous this plant is. So I thought this is just a tropical hanging plant, and look, I was able to made it as a tree. So originally this is it has the variegated leaves on it. Some of the variegations, there's few that are still variegated. But anyway, yes, it's fun gardening, and yes, you can try many things. So you can plant it outdoors if you want it. But before you do that, make sure you have cuttings. Make sure you reproduce it first, and then so that you won't lose the whole plant. I was able to reproduce this plant also, and I gave some to some of my friends, and yeah, they're enjoying it. And some of my neighbors also are thankful because I gave them this type of Abutilon, and they are enjoying it. And you can train this Abutilon like a topiary or a tree. That's what I did. I trained it like a tree. And look at that, how pretty they are. And I'll show you another one that I planted over here in a container. So this is another kind of Abutilon. And same thing with this one. So I got this white one also next to this other plants. And I hope that you like this episode, and I hope that you learn something from it. Please let me know. Please provide some comments if you have some questions about these plants called Abutilon. God bless you all. See you next time.